Now we're going to apply what we know about volume of cylinders to a little bit more involved problem. All right, we're going to solve problems involving the volume cylinder. So it says a metal paperweight is in the shape of a cylinder. The paperweight has a height of 1.5 and a diameter of 2 inches. So it says, how much does the paperweight weigh if each cubic inch of metal weighs 1.8 ounces? All right, well, we are going to find how many cubic inches are in this paperweight, and then we're going to multiply it by the number of ounces per cubic inch. So all we have to do is first find the volume. So step one, it says find the volume of the paperweight. So pretty simple, just like we've been doing, we're going to plug in the radius. So look, this goes all the way, this 2 inches goes for all the way across, and through the center would be 2 inches. So we don't want the diameter, we want the radius, and that's going to be 1. So we're going to plug in 1 right there for radius. The height is from circle to circle, so that's 1.5. And then when we multiply that, we get 1.5 pi. Okay, when we multiply that then by pi, we get a big long decimal, but it says round to the nearest tenth, so we'll simplify it down to, or round it down to 4.7. All right, so then where do we go from there? What's step 2? Step 2 is to use the volume to find the weight. So it says each cubic inch of metal, it weighs 1.8 pounds. So now we just multiply the volume of 4.7 cubic inches by 1.8. So that's 4.7 times 1.8. And that comes to, so it shows you 8.5, but it actually comes to 8.46. But since we're rounding the nearest tenth, we're going to cut it and round that 4 up to 5. All right, how about you guys take a stab at it and try the check. All right, pause and try it. Pause and try it out, and then unpause to see if you got it right. Hopefully you paused and you're not just copying my work, but well. A scented candle is in the shape of a cylinder. The radius is 4 centimeters and the height is 12 centimeters. Find the mass of the wax needed to make the candle if 1 cubic centimeter of wax has the mass of 3.5 grams. Okay, so again, we have each cubic centimeter of wax has a mass of that. So every cubic centimeter. So it's going to be a multiplication issue. So now we go volume. We have to find the volume first because that'll get us how many cubic centimeters this wax candle is made up of, and then we'll multiply it by the 3.5. So pi r squared h, volume equals pi. The radius, it said, was 4, so we're going to square 4. The height is 12, so then we're going to get the exact volume here. That's 192 pi. Now we're going to multiply by pi to get the approximation, which comes to volume is approximately 603.2. And then we're going to take that 603.2. That's how many cubic centimeters are in this awfully large candle. And we're going to multiply that by how many grams of mass are in each cubic unit. So that's times 3.5. So we do that times, and we get there 2,111 and 2/10, and we're going to call that grams. All right, so approximately that's how much mass